what's going on, everybody? Welcome back to my channel, Redline Mods. Thanks for tuning back in. There we go. We got the full coverage floor mats. You guys been asking me so many times where I got them, Guess what? They're on my website. We have 4 options on my website. This is black with the red stitching. We just put it in the sun to kind of, make it all loosen up, and just got done working on the support right here. We did the stage 1 paint correction, and yeah, super shiny. It's like a mirror shine basically now. With the calipers, the emblems, that, and then the grill, and bring it up, bring the car up. We're gonna install those, and I'll show you guys how it looks. We did the whole interior cleaning. Yeah, mirror shine. Wow. Cleaned up the whole interior, shampooed and everything. Look at the back, all shiny. Swirl marks, scratches, gone. This is like plug and play, guys. It literally just goes in its place, basically. Just drop them in and put them in the spots. See how it looks. All right, that's how it looks with the red and the black interior. Pretty dope. Back. Nice. So we got this angle. You could put these under the panels.
So this was before.
But just showing you guys real quick.
Yeah,
Driver's seat, nice and cozy. Yeah, that's it.